Oh, so hello again. So for today, I'm going to make a tutorial on a backless top which I saw on Shein. You can see the picture on the screen. I have here my black bodies, which is on a medium size. You can download it. You can download it on my shop if you want. It's free lang. Okay. So for this top, we're going to use the front only. So, front. Okay, I'm gonna show the link after. I mean on the description. I'm gonna show you there for this one. I also have the side art, but I didn't use it. Okay, let me see. So, first is, saan itong unang buhaton? Okay, ito sa lilinyahan. Okay. So, naaraga ko ang black bodies, standard size. But first, we're going to oh baby, I only wanna leave. Baby, wanna take forever tonight. Wanna stay in this moment forever. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. So that is the bust line. Is it visible? And then we're going to measure the underbust. So we're gonna measure 8.3 from the bust line down, 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 nalibat ko centimeter. So here's the 8.3. And draw a line. Klaro ba? So now, atong i-measure ang iyang bust. So ang bust niya is, so I have a copy here. It's from the website. Sa bust niya is 16.1. Since this is 35, so we're gonna measure 16 point. Actually, I have already the top made. Already stitch. Already finished the eye. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8.1. 8. Ito na itong 8.1 lamang. So this is the new bust, okay? 16.1 sa bust. And then sa waistline is 15.4. So it should be, so the waistline of this black bodies is kung ano man siya ka ng 28 point something. So 15.4. So 15.4, 15, ito na ito, 0.4 plus 1 is siya sa dart. So we're going to 15.4. So I add pila man mga 1 cm. Siguro na ito 1 cm. Okay? So this is the bust, the new bust, since kung man siya back halter. Halter ni siya, okay? So we're going to connect it sa niya. Okay, sa neckline, since this is halter. So, mag-down ka 1 centimeter from the neckline. And the measurements sa width is diri lang. So neckline point ra pod. Na. Then you're going to draw a curve line for the new neckline. Okay? Sa halter. Okay? Pwede naman Okay, ito nang ikuan. For the new neckline, mag-draw ka o okay, so muna siya yung new neckline. And then you're going to your new wala na siya armhole. I-connect na to ang armhole neckline padulong sa underbust. So where is my paper? So ang atong bust from our black bodies, we reduce it with From 35.2, sila ni? 35.2 nga bust. 4 ni siya. No, 35 divided by 4, 9. So 9, we reduce it with bisag mga 1 centimeter, 1 inch di ay. Or 0.75, ano na lang siya. Okay? 0.75. Okay? And then, ato na i-connect ning not yet. So, adi ay para sa full length, sa iyang length. So, you can add 3.5 to 4 inches para sa iyang length. Ano? It's in your eyes. Whoa, whoa, I wanna take forever tonight. Ato na siyang i-draw ha. Mag-draw sa ta. And for your hips, di ay. So, kuhaan sa imong hips. So, your hips will be wala ko measure sa hips di ay. Dapat na sa hip measurement. It should have a hip measurement, but since this is we only add kuan lang 3 and it's open on the back, so maybe we're gonna follow na lang the bust size. So 9, not 9, or kung dako rag 9, 8.5. No, 9 na lang, or 8.75 pwede na. Okay. Okay, so straight lagi hapon. No problem guys, straight lagi hapon. From waist to ana. So now it's time to cut. So na i-cut. And before that, we're going to put a dart di ay. We're going to put a dart below. Connect this one here. Ayun siya kanang mga gap, mga 1 cm, 1 mm. Yan na. And this one here also. Okay, klaro. Klaro ole. So, sorry. Cut muna tayo. Para tayo ay malinaw. No? So, ano ni siya? So, then, we have to close the dart first. Okay? That's why, nag-cut ko. Ako nang i-cut, kaya mag-close ta sa dart. Ilisag sa ubos. Hop, hop. Kung diri sa under bust, ato na siyang hatagan butang ng shape. So we have to put a shape diri sa dart para sa under bust. Sige man yung mga kuan, a little bit raman. Then, ito na siyang i-connect. Oops. I-shape ni mo. Okay, para rin siya pointed. Ano naman yung akong curve, uy? Shape, shape, shape. Ano lang. Para rin siya pointed ang yahang dart. Ano? Shape. So, this is it. Pansit. And then, so this time, you're going to close the shoulder dart na. Close the shoulder dart. Na siya. Na. Cause I can't live without you. Touch my lips. Ooh, I'm on fire. You're the only one I ever desire. desire. La da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, ato na i-shape ang iyahang armhole. Neckline to armhole, to underbust. So we're going to use the hip curve. Hip curve. Yala. Da-dee-da-dee-da. It's useless. La li la 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 li la la. Yan na siya. So I'm going to shape the asa naman eh, alera. Kani siyang lapita na. But first the eye before cutting, magbutang ta og dart sa iyahang armhole. Okay? Ang dart niya is 2 cm. So we're going to put a 2 cm armhole, dart on armhole. Yan na siya. And close. We're going to cut na this one here. So kung naman nag-close sa neckline, i-cut na na. And then, next is the armhole. So close the armhole dart. 2 cm. Yan siya. Ilang pa. And then shape. Then shape the armhole. And also shape the part that you're going to connect to the underbust. Na siya. Ayun na siya pointed. Make it smooth. So this is now. Muna na siya. So mag-finalize of cut. Na. So, maghimo ka og another copy of this pattern kay maghimo man ka og dart. The main fabric or the main pattern. Kani siya we're gonna need it for kanang lining. Yes, we're gonna have a lining also. So we're gonna make a line here para sa lining kay i-cut mo siya diri. Para sa lining, you have two part. Ano siya. Whoops. Okay. So, not this line. Okay, klaro ba? So, now we're going to make a copy. Copy of this one. From my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, rocks me right up my feet. So, ano siya? So, I make a copy. It makes me weak. Try to fight it. Whatever you do. Cause my heart's been triple time of loving you on my mind. So, we're gonna work on the later, kaning pacing. I guess I'm weak on the knees, I could hardly speak. Okay, so set aside, i-dapli na siya, and then, so this is for the main part, main fabric, main pattern. We're going to divide it into 4. It knocks me right up. before that ha. Kaysa, before then nato siya katon, you got to put a mark of the kanang, you have to put a mark on the underbust is on, and on the waist, kay, because this is the one you're going to kanang put a patch here. So you have to make a mark. Love is so sweet. So when you cut the fabric, you have a ilhanan. Okay? You have an ilhanan. Oh, it's not. So yeah, it's on the underbust. So the tie is on the underbust, the eye, not on the bust line. This one here. You do me right out of my heart. I can't explain what you love. Wait, I can hardly speak. By my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. So, muna na siya, guys. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And cut. Okay, cut. Nga naman kaayo-bayo na mo. Why are you so sad? Togi? Ano naman as Ayo, ha? What happened to you, Ayo? Grabe nita eh. Grabe nita yun. And then you're going to paste it on another paper. Why is it so hot? Getting sweat na. King of you. Yung paper. Diba? Maybe right, cause I'm counting, and I won't pull through. I just like color the paper. I give my all to have just one more night with you. Your body next to mine, cause I can't go on living in the memory of. Baby, can you in your eyes clearly, vividly emblazoned in my mind, like a distant star tonight. I give my all to have just one more night with you, to feel. So, for example, isang ikuan ha. So, we're going to spread it. So, yung hole. Ano siya, i-spread din mo siya. So, yan siya yung arrangement. So, you're going to spread it by ito ang spread. Siguro mga 4 cm. 4 cm. Okay? So then, spread. So, ito yung siyang line. Uy. Straight. Okay, 4 cm ba? 3 cm. Pila may 3 cm? Tura na. 3 cm na lamang. My all to have just one more night with you, my life to feel your body next to mine, cause I can't go on spread it by 3 centimeters straight. Straight siya ha, straight. Not straight. Tonight. Okay, and then spread and sad siya og mga 3 cm straight. Malibog ta ani oy. Na. So, ano na siya? So, let's kuan di ay. Since nga ang atohang tie will be kanang sa underbust man di ay atong tie. So, ang ato ang connection is on the underbust. So, here. Okay? You get it? And I have to cut. I-cut mo na si Jenny mo after. So, this will be your kanang front, I mean, your main fabric. So, I'm going to cut here. Ano siya? I'm going to shape it from the underbust. So, mainit. And then, dire. Na, shape it here. Na. Okay guys, so this is your final pattern for, not final, semi-final na ini for your front, I mean for your main. So, sa ako ang pattern, my pattern di ay for the dress that I made. I'm gonna show you here on the video. I added 3 centimeter on the waistline. What I mean is that I spread 3 centimeter here to make it more kanang flares. Nice na naman. So I'm gonna like this one, guys. So your neckline is the final measurement, and then if you want to add more volume here, I think it is nice to add some volume here. Add at least 3 centimeter. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then put a paper in here again. I didn't know where I turned to. Been through. So on my final kuan sa akong gihimong pattern, ako siyang giadan og mga 3 centimeter. Okay, but guys, if you don't want to kanang make a, you know, don't like making patterns because it's too hassle for you, you can buy this pattern. I'm gonna upload this later on my Etsy shop and on my Shopify shop. It's called Kariya. Kariya na Bisaya. Okay, that if you don't want to make, I mean, you're tired of making patterns. you're not a fan of making pattern, so yeah. So at least 3 inches here. Don't add on the neckline, ha. The neckline is ano niya siya, final na ni si Ja. Though I heard about who's knocking, no one. Mali. I believe in. Okay, so that's it. Quickly I'm learning to love again. Gonna be okay. Though I couldn't live without you. It's gonna hurt when it heals too. Oh yeah, it will all get better in time. Even though I really love you, 'cause I deserve to. Yes, I do. It will all get better in time. Something no more you and me, no more you and me. So I could be free to live my life to be. Yes, I will. Though I couldn't live without you. It's gonna hurt when it heals too. Oh yeah, it will all get better in time. Even though I really love you, 'cause I deserve to. Yes, I do. So guys, this is the final pattern. Yes, for the ano di ay. Para na siya sa main fabric. So we're gonna, so muna siya ha. Add at least 3 centimeter here. Have to spread it again to make more. Hindi siya tanawon, basta kanindot. Nice siya looking. So let's move on to the. So muna. Muna siya ang lining. So this is the lining. So the lining is shorter than the main. So we're going to deduct it with the deduct it by 1 inch. Ana. Okay. It will all get better in time. Sakto ba? Reduce it by 1 centimeter. Inches di ay. Yes, I will. Na. And then everything you want in the box to the left. Be, ito na siya batang mark. Okay, so this is your ano si Ja, okay? It's my name. Let me call you a cab, standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted. You must not know about me. Okay guys, I'm cutting the the 2-piece. So I'm gonna make it a 2-piece na kani siya. Muna siya ang lining. But tomorrow, so you have to shape the kaning bust point here para dali siya pointed. Okay, so you have to make it smooth na lang. Okay. Running all around in the box that I bought you. Buying socks and lips, standing in the front yard. Na dire.
Ikaw ang balik ko ah.
Ay sigsaba diha. Nag-record ko. You must not. Wala ganahan na diha. I could have nothing at all to you. So I hope nga nag-follow mo sa ako ang instruction. So this is now the final lining. Muna siyang lining ha. Sa lining ni. Lining. And you have to cut this unfold and cut it 1. Murag Dr. Gagi ha. Cut 2 pieces here. Ana. And then you're going to cut also kuan kanang para sa blow. Para sa patch here. And you're going to kuan imo na ibutang ang patch after you gather the kuan kaning under bust and the waist. waistline. And so on my kuan akong gihimo sa top nga akong gihimo, I cut kuan 60 inches, you know, sa panel, 60 inches width sa ihang kuan, the length, ang length sa tie, from the front patch up to the kanang tie sa back, mo to siya. So you are going to cut, you know, 50 or 60 inches, you know, as long as it's long and can tie on the back. And for the width, kuan siya, half inch. Ang yang patch is half inch here. So you're going to cut a half inch. This is the patch. So, and the allowance, seam allowance para tahion. So maybe half inch here, and then allowance. So siguro mga 2 cm. 2.5 cm, 2.3, something like that, okay? For the patch width, nana, 2.5 cm, something like that, all in all. So for example, in ani, honey, honey, on my window pane. I don't have my basta ka na dito ang final. So, ano siya ang kaning lining, and this is the upper na siya. So, you're going to stitch this part here. Stitch the under bust with kanang para gather stitch. Gather stitch ni mo. Imong i-gather, ana. Ana, gather. For example, this is gather na, ana. And then you're going to assemble the, where is the other pair? Okay, so I'm going to wait. I already have here, I have tested it. This is the digital pattern I made, this one. So this is the lining, because I'm going to sell also a pattern for this. So for example, this is the lining. You're going to, after you gather this front, muna siyang i-attach ang lining. Attach niyo ang lining. You have to sew kaning the side seam, the neckline first, and the side seam, and then muna siya nakagather na siya diha, ana. And then you put the kuan kaning patch. For example, this is it. This is the patch. Ana siya. Okay? Ana siya. So you're going to put the patch here. Ana. Ana siya. Okay? Ana. Ana siya. And then you have to make two kaning copy ani. Two piece ani. So dili ni siya kuan ha. Dili ni siya bias. So cut it kanang on grain kada bang. Basta kay dili bias, not bias. On grain ra. One here and one here. So this is the patch. You just have to sew it like a tie, you know. And also you have to make a kuan here. Dirisad, a tie for the neck. Okay, but you don't need to. You're not going to close this. You're not going to put a kanang stitch here. Just kanang make an opening here between these two, ana. Between these two, niktahi nimo na. Okay, una mo ng liog, the neckline, and then sew the side seam. Then you have to leave kaning two from here. You have to leave and stitch here. At least mga 1 cm siguro. Na. This is untouched because you are going to put here you're going to insert here the tie. You understand? For the neck, okay? So that's it, guys. The final of this dress. Nara diha. So, if you want this kuan free basic bodies, you can download it on my website. Okay, thank you.